8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5. Seeing this, you might say 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. I'm going to multiply 3 times 3, which will give us 9. But that would be incorrect. Let's try that again. Now, before we work on an equation like this, we have to remember the order of operations, PEMDAS. This tells us that we first focus on parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division, then adding and subtracting. So in this problem, we'll start here with the parentheses. 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and then we bring down the rest of the problem here. Next, we'll be working on the multiplication in this problem, which is a negative 5 times 3. That negative 5 times 3 is going to give us negative 15. We'll bring down that 8. And the final step is 8 minus 15, which is going to get us an answer of negative 7. The answer to our equation today, negative 7.